Hello class, welcome to math. I'm going to go through some random math facts and just practice them for speed. Here we go. 4 times 9 is 36, 6 times 9 is 54, 9 times 8 is 72, 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 is 48, 7 times 9 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, 3 times 8 is 24, and 4 times 4 is 16. Just keep watching those over and over, and you will get faster and faster at them, and that will be great. Today we're going to move on to a multiplication problem that is a little bit more complex than the ones we've done in the past. We're going to take 4,469, and we want 23 of those numbers. So we're going to end up with a pretty big number this time, but you will be able to see that it is not a difficult thing to do. We will do it the same as we did when we were just multiplying one digit. We'll take the 3 times the 9, then the 6, then the 4, then the 4. And then we will just simply move over one place value. And we will multiply the 2 times the 9, times the 6, times the 4, times the 4. So it's not nearly as complex as it looks. Let's begin with 3 times 9 is 27. So we put our 7 down and we regroup, because it's not 21s, we'll have it be 2 10s instead. So here's our 2 up here for 27. Then we have 3 times 6 is 18, and you add 2 to that and you get 20. And again, we'll put the 0 down here, but we'll regroup the 20 because 20 tens is the same as 200. So there's another 2 in our hundreds column. So then we have 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 gives us 14. And we're clear over to here now. 3 times 4 is 12. We add on 1, we get 13. All right, now we just do the same thing again, but we move over one place value. We're going to begin by putting a 0 in the ones place because we have moved over to the tens column. And we have 20 times 9, which gives us 180. So we will write 180. 180. There's our number. Right? Now we're going to do, that was 2 times 9. Now we need to do 2 times 6, and we get 12. But we have 1 extra right there, and that makes it 13. And we will regroup that 1 the same as we have done, because it's actually 100. Now we have 2 times 4 is 8. We add on 1. That gives us 9. There's nothing to regroup when there's just a 9. And then we have 2 times 4, which is 8. So we'll put the 8 down. Now if you'll notice, I've been careful to keep my numbers lined up, to keep them in a line so that they maintain their place value and we know exactly where we're going. Let me draw some quick lines here just so you can see how we have kept all these things in line. And that's important for not making mistakes. Okay? Keeping things lined up is important for not making mistakes, because then you keep your place values. All right, let me go ahead and add this up. We just add it like you would any number, and even though it's long, we just work our way across. And look what we ended up with. Look at that big number. We just add it as you would normally. Then I put in a little comma to show where the hundreds go into the thousands. Again, not too big. We don't want it to take over and look like a 1. So we just put a little comma there. All right. Practice this yourself until you can do it easily, and please bring that to class. If you would like, it would be great if you do one of your own and bring it also. I'll correct it as you come into school. I'm so proud of you all and the great progress that you're making in math, and I will see you in class. Today, I have a joke for you at the end, though. I was going to ask you, what do you think happens if you cross a pig and a centipede? You end up with bacon and legs. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.